Hello my dear friends, in this video I am going to show you best software to make music, and if you're new to my channel please consider subscribe and like in this video. Let's jump into video. And the first one is Ableton Live. So this is renowned for its seamless integration of live performances and beat making capabilities. It features a unique session view that allows users to experiment with different arrangements and create beats on the fly. The software also includes a wide range of built-in instruments and effects, making it a favorite among professional producers. So consider about pros of this application. It is great for live performances, user-friendly interface and versatile workflow, but not the most affordable one. So this is best for live performances and beat making. So you can download that one using www.ableton.com. So let's go to the second one. It is a FL Studio. So this is a versatile and powerful digital audio workstation known as DAW that has been a favorite among beat makers for years. It offers a wide range of features including a step sequencer, piano roll and vast library of sounds and plugins. So the software is known for its user-friendly interface and lifetime free updates. So consider about pros. This has a highly initiative, extensive MIDI capabilities and lifetime updates. But the cons can be overwhelming for beginners. So I think this one is best for everyone from beginners to pros. Let's go to the third option. This is the Logic Pro, and I remember that you can download FL Studio using www.image-line.com/FL Studio. Third one is Logic Pro. Logic Pro is a comprehensive DAW designed especially for macOS users. It offers a vast array of tools for music production, including advanced MIDI editing, powerful mixer, and wide range of virtual instrument and effects. Logic Pro is known for its high quality sound and professional grade features. And consider about pros. This is excellent for Apple devices, rich in features, and the cons are this is only available for macOS. So this is best for Apple users only. So next one is GarageBand, and yeah, you can go to apple.com/Logic Pro to download this Logic Pro application. And the GarageBand is a user-friendly DAW that comes pre-installed on macOS devices. It offers a simple interface and a variety of built-in instruments and loops, making it excellent choice for beginners. While it lacks some advanced features, GarageBand is perfect for those just starting with music production. And this is free, easy to use and great for beginners, but the cons are limited advanced features. So I think this is best for beginners and casual users. Let's go to the next option. This is PreSonus. So PreSonus Studio is one of the powerful DAW that offers a range of features for music production, mixing and mastering. It includes a drag and drop interface, advanced MIDI editing and variety of built-in instruments and effects. The software is known for its high quality sound and professional grade features. And consider about pros. It has an initiative interface, powerful features and great for mixing and mastering. And the cons can be resource intensive. So this is best for professional music production. And you can download that one using support.presonus.com and follow this URL. And the last option is Reaper. Reaper is a highly customizable DAW that offers a wide range of features for music production. It includes advanced MIDI editing, powerful mixer and support for variety of plugins and effects. The software is known for its affordability and lightweight performance. And this is affordable, highly customizable, lightweight software, but it has a steep learning curve. So this one is best for advanced users and those on budget. So you can download that one using https://www.reaper.fm. So these are the 6 softwares I need to show you for the make music. And if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and like in this video.